Do you have an error with the Ghostscript64.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll guide you through the diagnostic to restore system stability. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for Ghostscript64, you can find a diagnostic tool for a thorough environment check. This DLL file is the 64-bit version of the Ghostscript library. It allows applications to process complex vector graphics and PDF documents with high performance, serving as the core engine for many 64-bit printing utilities. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. Application-level DLL errors like this are usually resolved by reinstalling the affected software. Reinstall the latest official version of Ghostscript to replace the Ghostscript64. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including the Ghostscript64, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Manual intervention with the Ghostscript64.dll is dangerous because it can overwrite newer, secure versions of the file with older, vulnerable ones. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. For users interested in automation concepts, the maintenance and repair kit linked below provides background information on managing the Ghostscript64. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored the Ghostscript64 functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.